Did you know that you can secure 50K in business funding just from US Bank alone with the right strategy? Here's why this is going to be a game changer for you. I'll be walking you through how I landed a 50K 0% business credit card with an 18-month introductory period. Plus, I'll be revealing you a unique insider data points that will make this strategy work. Stick around to learn how you can steal my results and transform your business with an 18-month 0% introductory rate. And trust me, this is a strategy you do not want to miss. What's up, guys? If you're new to my channel, my name is Chess. Over the past few years, I've secured well over 400K in business funding. And from there, I was able to help hundreds of entrepreneurs and business owners like yourself secure funding that they need to grow their business and investments. Whether you're just starting or scaling your business, I've been there, and I've got the strategies that work. And today, I'm excited to break down my recent success story with US Bank, step by step. I'm going to be sharing exactly how I secured a 50K business credit card with an introductory 18-month 0% period. We'll also go through the specific credit profiles needed and also some powerful insider strategies that you will not find anywhere else. This isn't your average funding advice, so stay locked in with me because at the end of this video, you will not only know how I did it, but also how you can take these strategies and multiply your approvals to secure six figures in funding within just a few months. So now let's dive right in. And a lot of people think US Bank is way too conservative to approve higher limits or no doc loans as well. But here's the truth. If you understand how to position yourself and your business correctly, it's not just possible, but it's also highly achievable for you. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how. So here's my step-by-step rundown on how I secured 50K and 0% for the US Bank Platinum Business Credit Card in under 24 hours. And this last step I'm going to be showing you is the exact application strategies I use to get this done. Our first step in applying for any type of funding is knowing where our credit stands. And US Bank, they pull especially or specific, and US Bank pulls specifically from TransUnion. They typically use TransUnion for business credit cards, though it can vary from state to state too. So knowing which bureau a lender pulls from helps you prepare your credit profile effectively and also avoids unnecessary surprises. At the time of my application, my TransUnion FICO score at the time was at 795, a solid score that shows excellent creditworthiness. And my credit utilization was at 3%, and keeping this low is crucial for approvals, especially with conservative lenders like US Bank. So I always recommend keeping your utilization anywhere from 2 to 10%. This helps lenders see that we know how to use our debt. My personal revolving credit limit was at 50K across all personal cards. This demonstrates that I have experience in managing large amounts of credit responsibly. And last, my average age of credit was 5 years. Having longer than 5 years of account age gives lenders confidence, and this also shows a strong credit foundation. It also shows lender that you have a long history of good payments and also responsibility. If you want me to make a video showing you my fast track way to build your credit profile in 1 to 3 months, just comment fast track below and I'll make the video for you guys. All right, step two. This is going to be building relationships with the banks. If you watch my other videos, I always preach about building a relationship with the banks is super key for this. I always like to say, if you just started dating someone, would you marry them right away? Probably not. It's just like dating, the banks are exactly the same. They won't lend you a large amount unless you date them first. Anyway, so back in July 2022, I opened up a US bank business credit card. I only got a starting limit of 3,000, but over time, I strategically requested credit limit increases and I gradually increased my limit to over 25,000. And here's my pro tip for you. Even when you get a small limit, you can get a larger limit over time. So start small and grow your relationship with consistent and responsible account management. US Bank, like most other banks, reward trust and also reliability too. And step three, I'll be going over the application strategies I use to get accepted for this card. So I applied with a relationship banker, but I also made sure that all my details were very accurate and consistent with both my business and personal credit profiles. For example, I double checked that my business address matched across all my applications. my business bank accounts, my credit report, and my past stated revenue and income data details were also all consistent. By making sure everything was consistent in this area, it significantly reduced the risk of red flags during the underwriting process. And US Bank is very particular about matching your application details with your business credit profile, including data points like your stated income, your revenue, your financial details, making sure everything on your information aligns with your past applications and your reported data is also critical for high limit approvals, since inconsistencies can raise red flags during the underwriting process. Within 24 hours, I received the approval email and I was actually surprised because I expected a longer wait than this. So when applying for a business credit card, you have to make sure you're aware of the inquiry bureaus and have your scores in top shape. For US Bank, having your TransUnion as high as possible is key. So now that we've covered how I secured a 50K 0% business credit card, let's talk about why this strategy matters for entrepreneurs like you and how you can take this to the next level. And in this next section of the video, I'll get into the advanced strategies and the data points that you need to know how to secure over 100K in funding in the next couple months. And trust me, the last tip I'm going to share will open up the doors to higher limits with other banks as well. So, why do US bank products matter? Did you know US Bank underwrites its own products, including those from Eline Financial Services? That's why understanding their ecosystem is key for maximum amount of approvals. So let me break this down for you. Since Eline Financial is owned by US Bank, their products are underwritten in-house. This creates a natural combination for borrowers, making Eline Financial an excellent next step after securing your initial US Bank card. However, timing is everything. It's crucial to avoid running up the bag on your US bank cards before applying for the Eline financial products. So instead, I would recommend gathering up the capital you need strategically. This way, you can benefit from the 0% interest products without jeopardizing your relationship with the banks and getting denied for any additional funding. By leveraging your Eline financial products in combination with your US bank cards, you can make an easy path for you to get more funding in a shorter amount of time, giving you room to scale your business while keeping your personal credit utilization low. And you can also get your funding approvals at a higher rate. So now that we've seen how Elan Financial can boost your funding strategy, what if I told you that there's a simple cash back card that could be the foundation of a six-figure funding plan? And here's how the Triple Cash Business Credit Card fits into the bigger picture. So the Triple Cash Business Credit Card is more than just a cash back card. This is going to be your tool to establish trust and demonstrate financial responsibility. And by using this card consistently for about 1 to 3 months, paying the balance on time, and building a positive track record, this track record it positions you for higher credit approvals with US Bank and also with other lenders who values demonstrated reliability and usage patterns. So building a solid track record with your triple cash card is only one piece of the puzzle. But here's the thing. What if other banks could help you actually secure even a higher limit at US Bank? Here's why lenders compete for your business and how you can take advantage of this. By having a higher limit business credit cards from other banks like Chase or Bank of America, this strengthens your case with US Bank. If you're able to provide statements that reflect excellent payment history, this shows US Bank that other lenders value your business, increasing the likelihood of your approvals and also will get you a comparable higher limit. So remember, banks are competing for your business. And by strategically building credibility with multiple lenders, you position yourself as a highly desirable borrower. If you want step-by-step guidance on how to secure 100K plus in business funding, check out my one-on-one mentorship program linked in the description below and in the pinned comments below as well. I'll personally help you build a customized funding strategy to hit your goals fast. So this is CashflowChes. I'll see you guys in the next one.